Okay, today's lesson is going to be how to use Microsoft Excel to create pixel art. Now the first thing that you want to do is make your squares or your cells to be all square. Notice right now they're not square, they're rectangle. And so we're going to come up here into the left side here and we're going to click this little icon right up here in the corner, which is going to select all of our cells. Once you have all your cells selected, you can pick any two columns and get right in between it, get an arrow to the right and an arrow to the left, and we're going to click, and it's going to tell us that that is 64 pixels wide, and we're going to slowly pull it over until we are at 40 pixels wide. And let go. Sometimes it's hard to get right there. And then we're going to pick any two rows and do the same thing. I'm going to click between 1 and 2. See, it's 20 pixels, and I'm going to pull it down until I'm at 40. Now we have an Excel spreadsheet that's set with squares. The next thing you want to do is pick any cell that you would like to color. Click inside the cell. Then go up here, as long as you're on your home row. If you're on another ribbon, like the insert ribbon, you can just click home to go back. And right here is a thing called fill color. Now it's already set up for yellow, as you can see. And so if I just click that, the cell is going to fill with yellow. If I'd like the cell to be a different color, I can choose the drop-down menu and pick from my colors. So I could click blue, and now I have a blue cell. Then I can pick another cell, and I can go up and also make that blue, and pick another one and make that blue, and so forth. If you want a different color, you just change to a different color and then start adding in that color. Each time you click on a cell, you come back up and you click on the fill color and it fills it in. Now let's say you know that you have a bunch of cells that you want to be that color. You can click on a cell. If the cells that you also want to be gold are next to the cell, all you have to do is, once you click on it, is drag to the right. Grab that little corner down here and drag to the right and let go, and it's going to fill it in with that same color. Let's say you know you need a whole line. You could grab that little thing, pull it over, and they're all blue. Now that you have these all blue, you could highlight all of them and then grab the corner dot in the corner and pull it down, and you can make all those blue. Now you could pick a cell in the middle here and you could say, I'd rather have that be gold. And you can do this. Another neat trick that you can do is you can click on a cell, like this one's gold. Then you can come up here and say Format Painter. Now when you click Format Painter, notice my cursor has now added a little brush to it. And all I have to do is click on any other cell and it becomes that color. Once you do a cell though, it's over. If I try to click on another cell, it doesn't format paint into that other cell. If I want to be able to do a bunch of gold ones, I click on the cell, I double click Format Painter, and then I come down and click in as many cells as I want to be that color. When I'm done using that color, I just have to come up and click Format Painter one time, and I'm back to a regular selector. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that lesson. This is all about making art on Excel, making pixel art. And once you get good at it, you can create some great works of art.